welcome to High Valley Couponers. So today I'm here with the ClickList deals video for Kroger this week. So if you don't know what ClickList is a program that Kroger stores have, almost every one I've ever seen, where basically you go online, you select the items you want for that week, you place an order, and then probably I think the next day you can go to Kroger and you can pick it up. And you don't even have to go in the store. They have special like parking area. You pull in there and you, I believe you call. They have a number. They have all the instructions there. And then someone comes out with all your products and loads them up in the car. And you just pay from your car. And there's no hassle. It's so easy. So I did a whole entire video all about ClickList. The ins and outs, how to use it, everything fun like that. So be sure to check that out. There are lots of good perks. I know ClickList can be a pain because you do have to pay $4.95 to get the items placed in your car. Some people, you're like, ugh, I'd rather go in the store myself and save the money, which I'm not going to lie, that's what I do. But there's others of you who have kids and you're just like, I don't want to drag my kids in the store. I'd rather order online and save the hassle. And I know Walmart does something called grocery pickup, but here's why I still encourage Kroger over Walmart. Walmart, you cannot do any rebates or use any coupons, but Kroger, you absolutely still can use manufacturer coupons. You totally still can. I've explained all this in that video, so you can still use coupons, which is amazing. Amazing. So you just hand them to your cashier, and they'll go back in and scan them, and it's just a really easy process. So that's really, really cool about ClickList. So another cool perk about ClickList is they run all these special digital coupons. So this week it is a little slower. However, there are other weeks where the deals are like insane. So yeah, but I want you to keep in mind with ClickList, you know the deal video I did on Wednesday, you still can do all those deals just in a ClickList order. So you're not missing out here. If you do ClickList, you can do all the in-store deals as well as you can do all the special pickup and delivery deals right here. So it's craziness. So there are a couple deals I'm going to talk about today. It really isn't, like I said, it's not a very good sale, to be honest, this week on ClickList. But like I said, other weeks it will be. So we're going to start this every week, actually. So first up, they love to do free pickup if you purchase a certain kind of product. So let's say you purchase these Bounty and Charmin right here. You get free pickup. Now, personally, I wouldn't recommend doing that because those are ridiculous prices, but keep that in mind. You know, they got it on some Pantene and Tide and stuff, Pampers. Like I said, I wouldn't do that because they just aren't good deals. So you can pay the fee if you just want to do this anyways. Or your first 3 orders are actually free if you didn't know that. So that's really cool. You can get your first 3 orders for free. Let me show you a couple deals here. So they're running save an additional 10% on participating Tasty Tonight items, which is a great extra savings. These are the Kroger brands. So here we have the Kroger Gravy Mix. They're regularly 49 cents. Well, you'll get 10% off, so it makes them 44 cents. Not the best, but not horrible either. These don't really go on sale, so that's a really good price. If you use these a lot and you're doing ClickList anyways, I'd say go for it. Okay, like here, this beef steak is $5.49. You would get 55 cents off, so that would be a decent deal. All these products right here, you can get 10% off just by loading that digital coupon to your Plus card. So it's a decent deal. I know it's not that exciting. Other weeks really are better, so this is kind of a bummer. Okay, and we do 10% off of the Treasure Emporium items. They got those all listed here, so 10% off of this stuff too. Especially if you buy these products anyways, it's probably a good deal for you. Lots of stuff here. Lots of stuff. Yeah. It could be better this week, but like I said, just like all sales cycle, there will be weeks ClickList is on fire with deals, because I've seen it. And there are other weeks where it's not. Lots of stuff. So these are products you use. Why not get 10% off? They're also doing a back to school deal on any school supply items. Now, I'm going to give you guys a deal. You have to spend $20 on school items. So let me kind of come up with a scenario real quick and I will come back. Okay, so for example, let's say you wanted to get $20 worth of the dollar school items. There are tons of school items that are on this, 20 for $1. Let's go ahead and grab 20 total. That comes to $20. You'll get 10% off, which takes off $2. It'd be $18. But there also are a couple little coupon matchups. So the Bic pens, You could get 4 of those in that $20 deal. So get $20 worth of stuff. Be sure to get 4 big pens. It'll take the $2 off, so it's $18. Then go ahead and use the $2.50 off 2 Bic stationery printable coupons. I'll have in the description box below. So that would be $15 for 20 school items. So yeah, that's potential. And really, that's about it for ClickList this week. I know this was kind of a sucky week. Oh, wait, no, that's not it. I forgot about this. $5 off of 25 of these products. This is actually a really good price, to be honest, for some of these things. So, like the Kroger buns, that's a good deal, $1, and you're getting $5 off 25. So, let's say you wanted to go crazy and stock up on hamburger buns and buy 25, you get $5 off, making it literally $20 for 25 packs, which is great. And there's other dollar items, like this relish is $1. The buns were $1. There was something else, I'm pretty sure that was $1. This mustard is $1. All these products are on it. So, this is a really good deal. 5 off 25. These are products that you like and that you use. That you wouldn't, if you buy these products all the time, you would not get savings on these in the store. You're only going to get it through ClickList. So, I would just sit down and look at the products and see, okay, are these things I'll actually use? So now that's it. I know this is kind of a bummer. It's not the best sale ever, but it's not a bad one either. So if you guys enjoyed this, let me know. And thank you so much for watching.